So to begin our endemics lesson, I want to talk to you about an important concept, and that is a species range. When I use the term species range, I'm referring to anywhere a particular species can be found during its lifetime. This includes things like its home, where it migrates to, or where it goes to hibernate. For example, for humans, as a species, our range is basically around the entire globe, with the exception of some parts of the Arctic Circle and Antarctica. For an individual human, say a student, the range could be to school, to their house, to the mall, to the park, and to the grocery store. Now, that range can expand if, say, you go on vacation or go visit a relative out of state, or maybe you have to move somewhere. Then your range expands. For wildlife, we don't typically refer to species range on an individual level, though. So when we refer to the species range, we mean the whole species. We also don't include things like pets and zoos. And for this next activity that we're going to have y'all do, we're going to explore some of these ranges of animals here in North America. For this activity, we're going to use the Wildlife Ranges Activity Worksheet that was included as part of this lesson. There are 3 columns down here at the bottom of the page. You are going to select 1 species from column 1, 2 species from column 2, and 3 species from column 3. Once you've chosen your species, I want you to go to the Map of Life website. You can either use the link that we provide here, or just Google Map of Life. It should come up. This is a really cool website that's free to use and has a ton of information on different species, including all the ones on the worksheet. Your goal is to research the range of each species you chose and label their ranges on your worksheet. I'll show you an example. Down here, I selected the gray wolf, the American alligator, and the saguaro cactus. I labeled the gray wolf with a green star, the American alligator with a blue triangle, and the saguaro cactus with a little yellow slant. You're free to use whatever shapes and colors you want, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but we just want you to get a good idea for what some of the wildlife ranges are here in North America. And they can all be found on the Map of Life. All you have to do is click Map Species, go to the Search for a Species, type in the species name, and it should bring it up. So there's a saguaro, and there it is on the range map. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. We just want you to get a good idea for what's here in North America.